An officer investigating a burglary alarm has no idea he's at the wrong address.
Hey, stop the fucking car. Stop! What? You stay here?
No.
What are you doing here?
No. Why does it matter?
Turn the car off. Turn the car off now. Turn the car off now. Turn the car off.
That's why it's not
Turn the car off now. Turn the fucking car
Hey,
off.
watch what you doing because I'll punch you in your shit. Don't ever forget that. I'll punch you
Central, send
dead in
me
your
a second
shit.
unit.
Let me go.
Hey, let me
tell you something.
explain to you what we're doing.
Don't you ever put your fucking hands on me and I don't
am
stay
responding.
here. I don't give
Hold
up.
up. I'm responding to an alarm call.
Put your hands on me and I didn't turn up on you.
Turn around.
Watch your
Turn around.
Oh my mama.
Nobody's under arrest.
Stop touching me.
Turn around, ma'am. Turn around.
Stop
You're not
touching
under.
me.
You're not under
I don't
arrest.
care. You came in this hostile.
Listen,
Don't you ever put your hands on me. I'll spit on you. Stop
You're not under arrest.
Stop. Don't pull my hair. What the fuck wrong with you?
Joe Jerome, I'm in the house in your mouth. Joe Jerome's in the house in your mouth like ooh, ooh.
Get down.
Hey, mama. Bro, chill, bro. Chill, bro. Babe, stop. It's just
40 Central, have him step it up.
Whoa!
Oh man, she done threw him in the bushes and all that. Man, before we get to just finish this video, title of this video is burglary, car spirals into complete chaos. So a burglary happened. So before we get back to this video, remember, call a friend, tell a friend, let them know when Rome's in the house, in your mouth. Keep thriving and surviving. Keep your mind right, mind tight, vibes high.
Sir, take that inside and keep filling it out. I'll be back, okay?
Why can't you say burglary?
Get down now.
Oh, wig that came off?
Turn
Come on
around.
now.
And put your hands behind your back. Get down.
I don't care.
Get down.
What the fuck?
Get down.
Bump in the car. Move it. Stop. Push the kid to the ground. I'm not resisting. Move. Bro, okay, babe, just chill.
Put your hands behind your back.
Let you know. I can't breathe. Move.
Turn. Put your hand behind your back.
Crack a move. Babe, just chill, babe. Oh, my soul. Don't.
Put your other hand behind your back.
Not disabled. I can do it myself. Now, come on, hurry. Put this on her, bro.
Tell her to quit moving.
Let him do it. And then
If you don't stop moving,
bro, hurry. Bro.
stop. I'm trying not to hurt you.
Bro, you not doing bro. Hurry the bro. Hurry up, bro. Hurry the up, bro. Because you're not trying to not do shit.
I am trying not to hurt you.
Shut the up. Bro, come on. You good.
You got some sense and listen,
Sit down.
At least you're helping me.
Sit down. I said sit
I don't
down.
care. I am.
Sit down.
I am. Get out my
All right.
face.
40 cents for anyone else coming? 40 cents for anyone else coming?
46 and 43 are coming on scene.
Bro, fix this up now. Fix
No.
it.
Relax.
Hey, baby, just chill. My wrist is twisted.
You're going to chill out.
Fix the up. Just rip my wig off of your kids, dog. Just twisted. Whoa.
Hey, come on, chill. Bubble.
Stop touching me.
Stand up.
Hey,
Fix my wrist in this cup. Fix my fucking wrist.
You're going to wait. This didn't have to be
Stop
like that.
touching me. It did, because you were aggressive for no reason.
All right.
You f***ing bitch, and you know you're wrong, and then I take your whole job. Cracker.
What?
Okay.
You better run over and tackle her ass.
Touch me. Don't wrong with you. See, he got me, bitch.
Don't talk to me, bro.
I kick this whole car on my mama.
Listen.
Move, don't, bro. She can talk to me. You can't say shit to me.
Check her
You
cuffs.
can't say shit to me. Fix my fucking cuff.
I will if you would just relax for a second, okay?
Fix my cuffs.
Turn around and
I asked way too many.
I will, so just turn around and relax for a second.
What
You
you guys
got to
doing?
calm down, man. Realize you got to calm down. All that screaming and yelling is only going to make the cops turn up more. He messed up. He recognized it. He tried to say, okay, chill out. You ain't under arrest. I just got to ask you some questions. But some people have so much hatred for cops, especially when it's a white cop and a black person. And somebody who either they done been through it, or they have a lot of friends who done ran into the cops, or they done ran to the cops. They whole notion of just cops, they just don't like. And this cop ran into the wrong person. She's one of them people. It don't matter if he being hostile, if he's being unhostile, if he's being aggressive, if he was being nice. It don't matter. She don't like him. She don't want to hear nothing she got to say. And not just him. It's just cops in general. But she got to realize she need to listen to her friend, boyfriend, girlfriend. I don't know what it is, but she got to chill out. You know, get your whole wig knocked off and you flexing like you can do something. You in handcuffs. You can't do nothing.
No, what the f are you doing? You gotta do your job. Stop pressing on me because I'm not resisting.
Okay.
My wrist already hurt. No, you're not.
Trying to put on new ones, so relax.
People.
Listen, come on.
No, don't speak to me, bro. Don't talk to me.
You don't want to know what's going on?
Came over here. Damn, they're snatched her out the car. Slammed her on her outside of the car, bro.
Okay, stop.
You're hurting my wrist,
Well,
bro.
you keep moving, so stop.
Oh my God.
Stop kicking me.
I didn't kick you.
Yes, you just did.
I moved my foot.
Okay, stop. Get her a search really quick, and I'm gonna search her really quick and get her out of my car. Switch box me. Switch box me.
Oh my God. I swear to God.
Just chill out.
Let me tell you what we're doing here.
She angry, boy.
Hold on, is she going to jail?
We had an alarm. An alarm went off. Whose house is this?
This is not, I don't know who else it is.
Okay. An alarm came out here. As I walked up and told her to stop, she didn't. All right.
Oh, my mama. Bro, my wrist still hurt.
Wrist?
Right there.
I keep
What are you talking about?
Is it left or right?
Okay, just put her in my. I don't care. Open my door.
That you don't care. My wrist
Put her in
hurt.
my car now.
Don't push me because I can get in myself.
Okay, then get in.
My wrist hurt though.
Get
My
in.
wrist hurt.
Okay.
Get
This wrist is hurting. I'm
If you
telling
calm
you.
down, we'll help you out, okay?
Don't push
your
me,
feet.
bro. I'm not gonna tell you
Put
too
your
many more
feet in
times.
the car, please.
Can you try to get away? I will listen
I will
to
help
you,
you out.
but she cannot be in my face.
Okay.
Neither one of them.
Get it.
Get out of my face. Okay. The f wrong with you? Fix my wrist.
Okay, give me a couple
The
minutes.
f wrong my soul. I swear to God.
All right, hold on.
Whoa!
It sound like Ric
I don't know.
Flair,
We're gonna
boy.
figure it out. So just go back inside, please.
Who lives here? Whose baby is this?
This is his baby.
Tripping.
Ma'am, get away from my car now. I told you guys to get back in your house, okay? You don't need to go up against my car. We're not doing that, okay? We're not doing that.
I am in my yard.
Okay, but you weren't. You were just face first up against my car.
I need to know who she is.
You don't know. You
You know
don't.
what? We own
We're-
the house.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
So then why were you guys not answering the phone when the alarm company was calling you?
No one was.
Okay. Okay, well, there's an alarm going on right now.
Who lives here?
We don't know. I don't know who lives here.
Okay, who ran inside?
I don't know.
All right, who's this? Sir,
It's her father, man.
sir. Hey, Sergeant Weaver with the Sheriff's Office. Do you know what house they're at? Okay, so you don't know who lives here?
I have no idea what house you're at. Where are you at?
We're in Deltona, and I'll give you the address later. But we're here on an alarm call, and as I'm walking up, she's trying to drive off and won't listen, and then she starts fighting me and hitting me, and then people that she's with run back in this house.
You own a alarm?
Yes, an alarm at this house, like a burglary alarm. So that's what we're doing here. Give me a second, and we'll call you back.
What is she under arrest?
Yeah. Just relax for a second. I'll call you back. All right, is this your grandbaby?
That's my son.
That's your son? So this is your
Yes.
girlfriend?
No, that's my daughter right there.
Okay,
You have a handcuff. That's my daughter.
that's your daughter. This is your son. Let me sort this out. Let us call you right back.
Okay.
All right, two more went in the house in the middle of all this.
I need to know what's going on because I know her mom.
Okay, well, right now she was resisting arrest for my sergeant, so that's why she's going in. She's kicked me multiple times. She's been fighting him.
I don't know. That's not
Okay,
her daughter, so that's
okay.
why I needed to look.
Okay, well, listen.
Because that's not her daughter.
But listen, if we have someone in the back of our car, we don't need you going up to it, okay? Because we don't know who you are. We don't know if maybe you're going to let her out.
We own the house. We rent
Okay.
it out.
The person that is renting our house, I think she's on vacation, and so I wanted to let her know if her daughter was in that car.
Okay, do you know who this one is?
I've seen him swimming in our
Okay. All that I know is that my sergeant, my supervisor, was coming to an alarm. Okay, he called for backup, which is why we came. Okay. From what I could see coming on here, she was resisting arrest, getting put in handcuffs, or resisting being detained.
Hey, while this cop is talking to this dude, she tripping out, she crashing out so bad, you can hear her in the background screaming and kicking. If you listen, you can still hear her in the background screaming and kicking, which is just like, you got to calm down, man. Let them sort it out. Let them figure it out.
Okay. If we have a lawful reason to detain someone, put someone in cuffs for our safety or theirs, we have the right to do that. Okay. If she's resisting us, she's going to go in the back of a police car. I mean, even while I was just trying to fix her cuffs to her, she just kicked me 3 times.
Yeah.
So.
Says 39?
Yes, sir.
Right. 37. Ma'am, who lives here?
My tenant lives here, but I think my Lieutenant, you need to let me know what's going on.
I don't know what's going on.
Do you live here?
She lives here.
Okay, with who?
I stay with my mom.
Okay.
But my mom's on vacation. Is she on vacation? Because I wanted to give her a call. And where's your sister?
She's in the house. She sleeps.
Who are the two kids that just went in there?
One of the house. You'll see our cars. I was in the house.
Okay, the reason we're here is because there's an alarm.
What happened? I don't know what's going on.
There's an alarm call. So when we show up for the alarm, this car's leaving. I try to stop him. She doesn't want to stop, which turns into all of this.
In that sleep.
How old is she? Please, we just need to talk to everybody so we can clear the air.
Is this thing labeled wrong? This address?
No.
Because the alarm company has it as 39, and you're 37?
But this here is 39.
39, so this is marked wrong. This is where it says to go.
This is where it says to go?
Yep.
Okay. This mapping system is all wonked up.
Hi, come on out real quick. So you guys all live here with your mother?
Yes.
What's your mother's name? Were you guys outside? Did you run inside when you...
Yes.
Okay, that's the worst thing you can do because we don't know what's going on.
Calm her down, okay?
Here, watch out. Watch out.
Okay, no police officer should talk to him.
Here, if you want to talk to her, you can, but try to get her to calm down, please.
Bro, get the away from the car. Get away from the car before I slap the out of you. You pull my window.
Okay, well, roll up the window.
She got angry
I'm not gonna
issues.
sit here and talk.
Sarge told me to have him calm her down.
You pull my window.
Whatever.
Bro, why is this still on my face? Go.
Watch your hands, please. We're going to close the window, okay?
Shut up. And chill.
Hey, shut up.
She's spitting all in the back of my car, too.
Really, you gotta be careful about who you got, who you arresting here.
Yeah, okay.
I think you got the wrong house.
What address we got and who called the alarm? And
The address is 69.
the next street over. He thought that was the house and they were leaving, so he stopped the
But
car.
you got
and
punched in the face.
okay.
Yeah, so he has the wrong house.
There's nothing going on here.
Okay.
I rent this house for these people.
And
There's no problem.
Okay. Well, the thing is that it never would have been a problem, but our deputy got punched in the face, our sergeant got punched in the face. So
I know.
obviously it escalated to the point where nobody wanted that.
I know.
But maybe it was a miscommunication, and maybe if they would have just stopped and been like, hey, it's the wrong address, it would have been fine. It would have been, none of this would have happened. But somebody...
Understand that. They just...
I know, and maybe it was a miscommunication, but if a deputy gets punched in the face, it's kind of...
Do you know where this alarm is that went off?
We're trying to figure that out now.
Thank you for calling ADT. This is Yara speaking. How may I assist you?
Hi, Netta. This is Deputy Augusto. I work with Volusia Sheriff's Office.
Sorry, I can barely hear you.
Hold on 1 second. Yes, ma'am. This is Deputy Augusto. I work with Volusia Sheriff's Office. How are you? We're responding to a burglary alarm. The address that was given to us through ADT and 911 call doesn't seem to be populating. I want to verify that it's the correct address.
You on the phone?
ADT.
The other one, minus.
Is this not
No, we're on.
somebody there already?
I checked it out. It looks fine.
So what are we doing with this chick?
I mean, she punched him.
You gotta let that go.
She was gonna punch both of us in the face.
You got a girl in there right now. I mean, she shouldn't have done what she should have, that she did. But it just shouldn't have gotten to this point.
Exactly. I totally agree with you. It never should have gotten to this point. But there's also a point where you can stop and figure out.
Dang, this is cold. So it's like, whose fault was it? The cops for being aggressive from the rip, or the suspect for just going off the rails and not listening to nobody? Because you see, she couldn't even listen to her daddy. She won't listen to her daddy. She won't listen to her younger brother, which seems like she got these people that own the house that are actually vouching for her. Should they let it go? Should they just drop it? You know what I mean? Should you drop the charges? Or do they say, well, nope, you saying you hit a cop, so regardless if we messed up, regardless if it's on us, we agitated you and got you to the point of being aggressive. It's our fault. But since you punched me, it's your fault now. So now you go to jail. You know what I mean? Like, how does that work out? How is that fair? Other than she should have just kept her cool. You know?
What happened, or you can be rebellious and just try to leave with a deputy.
You're going to ruin her. I mean, she didn't do anything. I mean,
she punched our sergeant in the face.
people aren't perfect. They have their stress points. I don't know what her stress point is. I hate to see anybody's life get
And they said,
hey, miss. Listen, I know you don't want to talk to anybody. I got it. That's fine. All right, listen.
I don't want you to talk to me.
All right, I just need to tell you something because I don't want you.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
I want to talk.
Conversation is dead.
Okay.
Bro, let me tell you something. The conversation was done for everybody. Don't look at me. Everybody in this. The conversation was dead when I pulled out that yard, and he tried to stop my fucking car, and he asked me if I lived there, and I said no, and he pulled me out my car, and the looked stupid because it's a push to start, dummy, and no, you can't search it. That's why.
That's not what I'm asking.
He can't search the car because the pulled my fucking wig off, and he snatched me out my car for nothing. And yes, I'm in this spitting because this stupid man, bro.
All right,
I don't want to, bro. Don't call me by my name. You don't know me.
What would you prefer me to call you?
You don't know me. Nothing. Nothing. Because he treated me like nothing. Okay. So my name is nothing.
I'm not going to treat you like nothing.
No, I don't care. You don't understand that. Do you? Let me tell you something. This is my graduation day. This just pulled off my fucking wig that I paid for. Snatched me out of a car for
she
no
mad
reason.
about that wig.
Said why he wanted me to stop. Just asked me if I lived there, and when I said no, the snatched me out my car. Get your sergeant. No, matter of fact, your sergeant racist as so all I want you to do for me is when you take me out these tight ass cuffs that this dumb put me in, I want a report because I'm writing everything. I can't stand a I don't respect people that pay them. Pay your tax dollars. Stop playing with me.
Stay inside the car.
I don't want to be in here. It's
I
hot.
got you, but stay inside the car.
Got me in a hot ass car.
I'll turn on the AC, but you got to get back inside.
I will. I asked this white so many times.
Go back inside.
Shut up and listen, man.
Put your legs up there, back towards me. They're gonna get them loosened up. Okay? Just relax your arms. All right, that's looser.
Think I give a fuck about a badge? I give a fuck about respect.
Sliding all in your own spit.
With your fat nose ass. Get the fuck away from the car. Yeah, I'm gonna spit this.
She's getting a spit mask, so she's gonna keep spitting in my car.
Hey, just do us a favor. Don't step up to the window again. All right? Seriously. Okay, that's fine. I'm not gonna shoot. What?
You have to shoot me before.
Okay, we'll go stand over there. Okay. All right. Stay right there.
Chill out,
you step towards me again, see what happens.
You gonna shoot me?
I ain't gonna shoot you. I'm gonna mess you up though. You best step away.
You gonna shoot me? Shoot me.
Yeah, you would like that. And I ain't gonna do that to you. Big man.
I'm good if Dad's good with leaving the baby here. Let's put her in the call.
The girl in the gray, I think she's a resident at that house.
Yes. I mean, it is what it is.
I was trying to explain to them. Why not just stop and listen to what he has to say?
It was the pull in and then back up. Right. I was like, and then like kind of stopped and didn't stop and the window fire. I was like, right. And then just lost her shit. Bro, like, you saw her on the video, like, lost that shit.
This suspect, 18-year-old Ayana, was charged with 2 counts of felony battery on a law enforcement officer and felony resisting with violence, totaling a $15,000 bond. She is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
$15,000 bond? Dag, a $15,000 bond just for spitting over the cars and slapping 2 cops. Rightfully so. I mean, it was a big misunderstanding, big mistake. You know what I'm saying? She was big mad. Her little brother was big and bad. Like, you, come on, bro. You just sound stupid when you say stuff like, you threaten a cop to shoot me. Like, hey, I'm not gonna stop you. Going to shoot me. That don't make you tough. You know, to him, he sounded like he was tough, but that's the stupidest thing you could ever say to somebody, especially if you think they racist and they already don't like you. You gonna tell somebody with a gun that's racist, you gonna have to shoot me in order for me to not walk up to the car? That's dumb. That's dumb. You're giving somebody the green light to hurt you. You know what I mean? You know, if it's a cop, he's not going to, but still, you never know. It's just an unfortunate situation that temperatures, hurt. Boy, I must be tired, boy. That her attitude just escalated to 1,000,000. She literally went 0 to 1,000,000 and couldn't calm down. You know what I'm saying? When you're so mad you can't even form your words or figure out what to say or how to say it, you just mad. You know what I mean? Like, that's unfortunate. It's bad that you on your graduation day, you sitting in jail, you can't go graduate, and on top of that, you got $15,000 bond. You know what I'm saying? That's the worst graduation present you can give or get from anybody. Because now your daddy got to figure out how to get you out of jail. You know what I mean? That's crazy. That is so crazy. It's wild, little crazy, little quick little video. Remember, always call a friend, tell a friend, call a friend, let them know Romy roams in the house, in your mouth. Romy roam them in the house, and I'm in your mouth. Always keep your mentals, emotionals, physicals, spirituals at a 10. Keep your mind right, keep your mind tight, keep your vibes high. Let's keep spreading the word, keep getting the name out there, keep getting these subscribers up, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Yeah.